Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 September security patch update. First of all, the phone has still been rocking pretty well, and it's good to see that it's still being supported and so quickly after One UI 6.1.1 dropped just a few weeks ago. And so it's nice to see that the September update came. It was around 430 megabytes. So if I show you guys this here real quick, I go to gallery and then I come in here, as you guys can see right here. September 1st, 2024, 429.25 megabytes. It ends in AXHF. And as you see, it really just pertains to security. And so really, we're just kind of getting to that real quick. If anything, if we jump into settings and check the Google Play System update as well, security and privacy updates, Google Play System update, it's still on August. And let's see, there is a Google Play System update available at 13 megabytes. So we're going to allow that to update here. And we know that the device has a restart after doing so. So while it's restarting, one of the things we're going to do is actually talk about the Z Fold 6 real quick. In that this received the September patch a couple weeks ago as well, right around One UI 6.1.1 dropped for the Galaxy S24 series. If I showed you guys that here real quick, we jump into the settings and then we go into software update, last update. And as you see, last update was September 1st, around 435 megabytes for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and I believe the Z Flip 6 as well. And so if I actually go into my Samsung notes, I believe I have a note in here pertaining to the software update. And upon writing it down, we see that this security patch update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series and the Z Fold 6 Flip 6, this September security patch addressed vulnerabilities with One UI's Window Manager service, My Files, Theme Center, Performance, Monitoring Tool, One UI, Home, Samsung Dex, and Samsung Knox. And so a lot of really core Samsung apps, Samsung products that needed to get shored up with this security patch update. So it's nice to see that that is here. And if we now jump in here to check out the Google Play System update again to see if we bumped up, let's go ahead and update. We're still on the August 1st Google Play System update. And so that's where we're going to stay at. We're not moving on into September yet. So pretty interesting. We've had a couple updates hit the phone for the Google Play System. One was around 19 megabytes. That was like last week. And then we now have had the 13 megabyte here today. If you want to consider Friday, September 27th or Saturday, September 28th, that's what you have here with the Galaxy S24 Plus, and it's good to see that it is here. Again, just to remind you that the One UI 6.1.1 update is live, it has been available, and just in general, the performance has been very, very well, and it kind of low-key feels like a new breath of fresh air experience when it comes to the animations and using this phone on a regular basis. Now, I don't use it as regular now because I've been locked in with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, but it has been nice to see that this phone is still rocking pretty hard, and it's going to be interesting to see when the October security patch drops for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus. Will it drop before One UI 7 or after One UI 7? Or should I say with One UI 7? The reason why I say that is because we know One UI 7 has pretty much been delayed and the beta isn't even rolling out yet. So it's very possible that the security patch update could be baked into One UI 7 when it launches for the devices officially. And we know that's supposed to bring a full-fledged nuance of animation updates and some general UI changes. Now, if we jump back over here to the Z Fold 6, the pride and joy of technology right now, this baby has been moving pretty well as well, and having that security patch update come in on this has been a joy as well. The only thing I didn't like about it was the fact that when this did update to the security patch level of September, it was during my transfer setup, my transfer process from data from here to this phone. And the one thing that I did not like is the fact that I thought I was going to lose out on my transference process. But thankfully, Samsung, I guess, thought that through, because once it finished the update, it continued to do the transfer afterwards. And I, for the most part, didn't have a problem losing out on any data, any of my information transferring from the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus over to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So hopefully you guys appreciate this video. Let me know if you guys have updated you guys' phones yet, whether it's the Fold Flip series or the S24 series. Has it started rolling out for your devices if you are on devices that are not the S24 series or the flip folds. The comment section is open for discussion. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys ignite the like button, subscribe to the channel, notification bell. It's all free. That one's for videos. So you and I can sit back, check, see what's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super thanks button down there by the like and dislike button, Cash App and PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's where to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. So Micah signing out. To the next video. Wait for it.